Hi, I'm Johanna Ingram with Herald Studio located in downtown Phoenix, where you can have fun and learn how to make your own jewelry. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to clean jewelry cheaply. The products I like to use are probably already all in your own home. Toothpaste is one of them. I like to use warm water and baking soda. You need to be careful when using baking soda. Stones in it because it is a bit abrasive and it could potentially scratch jewelry with stones in it, such as opals or pearls. So I'm going to take my toothbrush, add a little toothpaste, and I've got a necklace here that's a bit dirty. I'm just going to scrub on both sides of my necklace really good, breaking up any dirt or lotion that has accumulated over the years. Then I like to dump it in some clean water and just get any of the gunk out. That brightens it up really nice. Then I like to dry it off with a towel afterward. Thank you for watching How to Clean Jewelry Cheaply. I'm Johanna Ingram with Herald Studio, and for more information on me or the studio, you can please visit my bio. Thank you.